This video is a deep dive into the heart of human potential, a place where life's complexities fade away and you left with just you and the rhythm of existence. Stillness is more than just the absence of movement or sound. It's a state of profound mental clarity, emotional balance, and spiritual depth. Think of it as the North Star, always present, always guiding, yet often hidden from our view. We're surrounded by constant distraction, the hum of notifications, the pull of social media, and the endless scroll feed. It's in the pauses, the spaces between our actions, that creativity sparks, insights come to life, and our true potential shines through. It allows us to approach life's challenges with a focused mind, fostering creativity and innovative. The brilliant strategist, Sun Tzu said, "The expert in battles is not he who wins every battle. It's a daily practice, a commitment to carving out space in the midst of life's chaos. It's about finding that inner quiet in the midst of a bustling city street during a heated debate, or in the face of personal turmoil. Dedicate the first few moments of your day to sitting in silence. Observe your thoughts without judgment, allowing them to drift like clouds passing overhead. This sets the tone for the day, reminding you to stay connected to your inner self as you navigate the day's challenges. Next, incorporate breathing meditation into your routine. Find quiet moments throughout the day to close your eyes and focus on your breath. Incorporate elements that promote a sense of calm, such as plants to purify the air, natural light to uplift your spirits, and clutter-free surfaces to symbolize a clutter-free mind. Your focus will sharpen, your creativity will flourish, and your decision-making abilities will soar to new heights. Remember, stillness isn't the absence of something, but the presence of everything. Everything that makes life worth living. Everything that gives rise to our humanity, our creativity, our resilience. So embrace the stillness within you. Nurture it, let it grow, and watch as it transforms your life into a masterpiece of balance, clarity, and purpose. Here's a 3-step process to help you address inner restlessness and cultivate a deeper sense of stillness. Every moment is a new opportunity to choose stillness, to reconnect with your inner self, and to navigate life with grace and equanimity. The legendary boxer Muhammad Ali once said, "I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit." Thank you for watching. And may your journey towards stillness be filled with grace and ease. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. Similarly, the discipline of stillness requires moments of discomfort as you confront your restlessness and choose to remain present. But the rewards are immense. You'll emerge with a sense of clarity, focus, and resilience that will serve you well in all aspects of your life. First, gently acknowledge your restlessness. Don't fight it or try to push it away. You'll approach challenges with a composed mind, make decisions with newfound clarity, and connect with others from a place of deep presence. The discipline of stillness is a gift you give to yourself and everyone around you. It's a way of living that honors your inner truth, nurtures your well-being, and allows you to shine brightly in the world. Instead, observe it with a sense of curiosity and acceptance. Recognize that restlessness is a common human experience, and it's okay to feel this way. Next, repeat a calming affirmation. Choose a phrase or mantra that resonates with you, such as, "I am calm," or "I am grounded." Repeat this affirmation in a soft voice or mentally until you feel a sense of relaxation wash over you. This helps shift your focus away from the restlessness and towards a state of tranquility. Finally, bring your awareness to your breath. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly and steadily. Feel your chest and abdomen expand, and then release the breath with a gentle flow. Concentrate on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. This anchors you to the present moment and calms the racing thoughts that contribute to restlessness. Regularly decluttering your physical space can also have a profound impact on your mental clarity and overall well-being. The student approached him and asked, "How can I quiet my mind?" The master looked at him and said, "Stop thinking. Stop thinking." And then the student said, "But how do I stop thinking?" And the master replied, "In your mind, there is a force more powerful than thought, and that is the discipline of stillness. When you choose to be still, you transcend thought. You become one with the present moment. And in that oneness, you discover a profound sense of peace and clarity. This anchors you to the present, offering a respite from the relentless forward march of time. Regular practice of these techniques cultivates a reservoir of stillness within you, ready to be tapped into whenever life's demands threaten to overwhelm. The goal isn't to become hermits, but to return to the world enriched by our inner journeys. It's a continuous practice, a series of small, intentional choices that compound over time. It's in the daily disciplines, the consistent effort to stay grounded, that we truly embody the art of stillness. The discipline of stillness is about quieting the incessant chatter of the mind, not in a forced or artificial way, but by embracing the natural ebb and flow of life. It's in the quiet moments, the pauses between breaths, that we connect with our deepest selves. Begin with a morning silence ritual. As the sun greets the horizon, find a quiet corner, close your eyes, and let the symphony of silence wash over you. For 5 to 10 minutes, observe your thoughts without judgment. Designate specific periods in your day, perhaps an hour before bedtime, to disconnect from screens and external stimuli. Use this time to engage in activities that nourish your soul, such as reading a book, journaling, or simply gazing at the stars. These moments of digital detox allow your mind to unwind, fostering a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. This daily dose of tranquility sets the tone for the rest of your day, reminding you to stay grounded in the present moment. It's a testament to the human spirit's indomitable will, its capacity to find peace amidst the stormiest of seas. Nature's grandeur has a way of humbling us, reminding us of our place in the grand scheme of things. In these moments of quietude, your mind will find solace, your spirits will lift, and you'll return to your daily life feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Just as a sculptor chips away at marble to reveal the masterpiece within, we too must patiently chip away at the distractions and noise to reveal the masterpiece that is our true selves. But he who wins the greater number with the fewer number of engagements, he understood that strategic brilliance lay not in constant activity, but in moments of focused intent, of calculated stillness. Similarly, the art of stillness enhances our decision-making abilities. By quieting the mental chatter, we gain the clarity to assess situations objectively, consider various perspectives, and make choices aligned with our values and goals. It's in these moments of quiet reflection that we discover the strength within our stillness. It's in stillness that we confront our deepest truths, our fears, our dreams, and ultimately ourselves. He famously said, "Empty your mind, be formless, shapeless, like water. And when you move like water. Be water, my friend." Just as water adapts to its container, becoming a mirror to the world around it, so too can we learn to be still and receptive in the face of life's challenges. This doesn't imply passivity, but a strategic form of engagement in stillness. We cultivate the mental fortitude to navigate life's storms with grace, emerging stronger and more resilient on the other side. Many equate stillness with laziness or inactivity, but they couldn't be further from the truth. Doing nothing and being still are two entirely different states of being. To be still is to be fully present, aware, and engaged with the present moment. It's a state of active listening, of deep contemplation and inner reflection. To do nothing, on the other hand, is to be distracted, unfocused, and inactive. These have become the modern equivalent of addictions. Instead of finding nourishment in silence and solitude, many of us feel uneasy, almost claustrophobic. The quiet amplifies the dissonance within, forcing us to seek solace in external noise. But let's be clear, it's not about the absence of noise, but the presence of stillness. You can be in a bustling marketplace and still be inwardly still, or find solace in the quiet confines of your room. Stillness is a state of mind, a sanctuary within the chaos. It's not a rejection of the world, but a conscious choice to step back and reconnect with our inner selves. This state of being has been celebrated by wise minds across time. Lao Tzu spoke of it in Tao Te Ching, the Buddha in his teachings, and the Stoics in their pursuit of inner peace. They understood that in stillness, life's true essence unfolds. Yet here's the paradox. In our hyperactive modern world, stillness is often the most challenging state to achieve. And here's the beauty of it. Stillness, far from being passive, is an act of power. Stillness is a wellspring of creativity, clarity, and strength. This principle is beautifully illustrated in Bruce Lee's philosophy of martial arts. But here's the catch. Stillness, like any worthwhile discipline, isn't a one-time choice. Cultivating stillness isn't just about escaping into silence. It's about bringing that silence back with us into the world. Here's a simple yet powerful technique to integrate stillness into your daily routine. Start with a morning silence ritual. Now let us talk about the routines and practices that can help you integrate stillness into your daily life. Next, embrace the transformative power of nature. Take walks in serene natural settings, whether it's a babbling brook, the vast ocean, or a canopy of whispering trees. Furthermore, dedicate specific time blocks as no-input zones. In our hyper-connected world, it's essential to unplug. Lastly, make stillness a part of your workspace. Ensure your environment is conducive to focus and tranquility. As you incorporate these practices into your daily routine, you'll begin to experience the profound benefits of stillness. There's a Zen Buddhist story about a master who was meditating under a tree. Here's the crux of the matter. Stillness isn't a place we reach, but a way of life we live. Now, you might be wondering, how do I keep myself from constantly drifting into restlessness? Remember, the discipline of stillness is a continuous journey, not a destination. As you integrate stillness into your daily life, you will find that your inner world becomes more serene and your outer world begins to reflect that tranquility. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to me.